And it's an amazing radar, but even that radar can be messed with when you have so much rain coming down. That attenuation, it can actually make it.
Well, after seeing the skies, I think it might be a good idea to grill inside. Where there's a will, always a way. Hey, my old school grill. This is a wedding present a couple of decades ago. Steak fries looking good. Okay, I did get that charcoal look that everybody enjoys. Happy 4th of July. If it's nice enough, I'm going to try to get some fireworks. If not, have a beautiful day filled with your favorite dishes. This is Cornelia Moss-Oldham, speaking on behalf of Gifts of 12 Seasons. See you real soon. Holla. Sundown, July the 4th. Fireworks, fireworks. Oh my. My battery's going low. Cars just running up and down the road. I'm just filming. How? Come on, children. That's how you do it. Whew. Bam! Holla.